Welcome to the personal property tour for 7 Lemon Terrace in Leven. This is a spacious 3-bedroom semi-detached cottage. It's in a great location. You've got landscaped rear garden. You've got the potential for 1-level living downstairs as well. I'm just going to take you on the tour. Property here. So as you can see, it's this beautiful semi-detached cottage here. You've got nice garden area to the front, and actually to the side here, once you go into the property, you've also got access to the rear through that timber gate. And I'm going to take you on the tour. So you've got a nice spacious garden. All you can hear is the birds chirping. It's so peaceful here. So you've got this great outside space, and it's really finished nicely inside as well, this property. So we head straight into the vestibule. So great for offloading your coats, boots and hats, especially if you've just come up from Leven Glen, which is in walking distance on the beach, etc. And then you come into the hallway. So instantly we come in, you'll see how lovely and bright it is. So you've got all this detail with the coving as well. You've got this nice timber balustrade. So we're going to start upstairs. You've got a Velux window mid-stairs as well. So again, lots of natural light coming with the property. And you come up to the upper landing. And as you can see, you've got that nice airiness from the window. We're going to start in bedroom number 1. So a nice size double. And you can see plenty of storage as soon as we come in. So you've got this great triple wardrobe here. Nice sized room. Lovely big window actually, so lots of light coming in. And it overlooks the rear garden. But nice and spacious, isn't it? Really good size double. Then from here we go back out into the upper hallway. And we head into bedroom number 2. So again, a great size double. Love the big bay window. This would be a great space for a little dressing table, perhaps a home office. But it's a really nice sized room. Lovely and spacious. And then on this level as well, we also have the bathroom. So come into the bathroom, you can see you've got your 3-piece suite. So you've got your sink, your bath and your WC. But the bonus with this one actually is you have this really large cupboard. You could easily open that out and put a shower. So you could turn this into a 4-piece, no problem. Lots of space in here. And then we're going to head back downstairs. So again, you see that lovely detail with the timber balustrade. We head downstairs, and then on this level, we talked about 1-level living. There is a bedroom on this level, and it's a really nice size space as well. So this lovely large bedroom. Again, you've got a nice bay window, nice detail with coving. It's a great space. Got shelving there as well. So such a lovely space for a bedroom. And then from here we go back out into the hallway. And then off of the hallway you have understairs storage, so plenty of room here. But the bonus with this one is in here, currently utilised as a utility space. But I'm told actually previously was a WC, so you could easily turn this into a WC again and benefit from that 1-level living that I was speaking about earlier. From here we head into the lounge. So we come into the lounge, again a good sized space. Nice and bright and airy. Got a nice big window, overlooks the rear garden, so lovely and quiet at the back of the house. Got storage in the cupboard here as well. If I come across here, you'll see it's a really nice size space. You'd easily get a dining table in here as well. And then from here you head out into the kitchen. And as we come in, you'll see it's a galley style kitchen. You've got this double Velux here as well, so lots of light coming in, plenty of room for your white goods. Nice space, and then it leads out to the rear garden. So if we head out into the rear garden, immediately you'll see that it's been landscaped. That wasn't that long ago. It's a lovely space. It's completely enclosed as well, so fantastic for children. If you have a dog as well, it's great for that. Safe and secure. To the side where you've got your bin store area, as I said, from the front you can see you've got the gate as well that gives you the access down the side. But it's such a nice space. Isn't that lovely? I love the way it's been landscaped as well. So that's a great way to start the garden. So you have this nice patio area down here. So you've got great patio space, lovely family space. You've got these raised borders as well, so if you're into vegetables or fruit trees, good for planting. Not really overlooked. It's a lovely space, isn't it? So, just to recap, this is 7 Lemon Terrace in Leven. It's a beautiful 3-bedroom semi-detached cottage. You've got this lovely landscaped rear garden. You've got the potential for 1-level living downstairs as well. You're also in a great location. It's lovely and peaceful down here. Within walking distance, you're at Leven. In the opposite direction, you're at the beach. So you can walk along that beautiful promenade, that lovely sandy beach. You've got the swimming pool, you've got the high street and the soon coming train station in the spring of 2024 as well. So that'll add a fantastic addition. Walking along the beach though, you can walk along to Lower Largo, London Links. You've got the beautiful golf courses all the way along the shore here as well. So lots of activity. You're on the Fife Coastal Path. You're near Silverburn Park as well for the woodland walks. Leven Glen's within walking distance as well. So again, if you've got an active lifestyle, so much to do here. Location wise, commute wise, as well as having the station that's going to take you from Leven through to Kirkcaldy and beyond to Edinburgh, and also in the opposite direction to Dundee, you're not that far and you're along the East Neuk as well. So you've got all that offers to you, as well as the Fife Coastal Path extending through that way. You've got schools on your doorstep as well with Parkhill Primary School. So offers a really fantastic lifestyle for families with the parks, the woodland walks, the beaches, the golf courses. If it's of interest to you, you can message me here directly, and likewise you can contact the team on 01333 421 774. The price point is in the post, and it's Perry at Fife Properties TV. Take care, bye bye.